Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It's another sunny day here in Florida.
No.
We're actually at the Marriott on Sand Key Island.
This hotel is amazing, guys. It is 10 floors. They're suites. So you don't just have one room, you have 2 rooms that you can enjoy.
Yes.
And it has 2 restaurants, a coffee shop, and an outdoor eatery, and a waterfall pool.
Yes, and we're actually really anxious about that one. So why don't you come along and we'll take a look around this hotel.
All right, let's go. The main restaurant of this hotel is called Watercolor Steakhouse and Grill. They open every night and they offer steaks. This hotel has a sushi restaurant. Their coffee shop here is called Bistro on the Bay, and they actually have Starbucks, so for all you coffee lovers, you can get your fix. They do have gelato here. Check it out. This hotel offers 12 conference room areas. You can have all types of events here, as you can see. Pretty nice. Unfortunately, the audio for this room was lost, so we are going to voice over this part of the tour. We got a room on the top floor, room 1005. This is a 1-bedroom king suite. It sleeps 4 people. As you walk in, you are greeted with a couch that turns into a sleeper sofa. There is a decent-sized television built into the wall with cable and streaming services. This room offers a kitchenette. There is a mini fridge. A sink, a coffee station, and a microwave. Heading through the dressing area, you will find a modern style bathroom, a giant sink area for all your stuff, a toilet, and an enjoyable shower area with wonderful water pressure. The dressing area offers storage, a closet, some shelves, and a safe. Heading into the master suite, you are greeted with these magnificent views of the bay. The room is very spacious with a king-size bed, side tables on each side, a desk, and a giant TV built into the wall with, again, cable and streaming services. The best part of this room is the view from the back balcony. You are able to see for miles. It is incredible. Now let's head to the pool area to check out some more of the amenities.
Hey guys, real quick before we continue, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure to leave a like and a comment below and hit that notification bell if you'd like to be alerted when more videos drop. It helps YouTube push our channel. As always, keep exploring.
Aww, this is Lisa. It's a blue and gold macaw.
This is the workout area that's normally available
Unfortunately, it's under maintenance right now, but they do have a deal with a local gym, so you can take your shuttle over there and they will come and pick you up and drop you off.
They do have guest laundry, it looks like. Ooh, what's over here? This is Lisa's clubhouse. It looks like they do offer daycare, $10 per hour, and there's all kinds of crafts and stuff too. So parents can go have fun, right?
One of the selling points for this place, for us anyway, was this 35-foot waterfall behind us is attached to the pool.
Yeah, it looks so cool. If you have little ones, they have this cute little pool area, tiny little pool, little splash pad for them. They'll love it here. So they do have cabanas. We don't know how much it is, but we'll put it on the screen when we find out. You get this from 9 to 9 if you want. You get your own personal little area. There's a TV, there's a fridge, there's a wait staff that comes with it, water and fruit. So pretty good, right? Looks like you can rent jet skis and little cars. We'll find out for more information and we'll put it down there so you
yeah,
can
those
see.
car boats look pretty sweet.
Yeah, maybe next time we'll go and do that. That looks awesome though.
Well, before we get in the water, we stopped at Kokomo's. We decided we're gonna get some drinks and a couple of snackables. This place actually has handhelds and typical bar food you'd find, but if you got a little craving by the pool, perfect place.
Yep, the oil looks really good. All right, our snacks came. It looks so delicious. And they come in these cute little containers. That is coconut shrimp. And then of course we got some fries.
Outside of the already provided shuttle service that you get, the Jolly Trolley actually stops right out front. And your room key is an official ticket, so you won't have to pay to get on the trolley.
Yeah, that's so nice to get a free transportation.
Right, and that goes all the way up to Tarpon if you're interested.
Yeah. What's really convenient is the Columbia restaurant has its own entrance right here. So we're gonna go eat here tonight. That food was delicious as always. If you are in this area, definitely check them out.
In case you didn't know this, the Columbia establishment is actually the oldest restaurant in Florida. Not this location, but the one in Ybor. They've actually been around since 1905. Just behind the restaurant in the same plaza as the Columbia, they have shops and restaurants. So if you need any last minute items, this would be the place.
You don't have to drive while you're here. So this hotel has a little bit of a nightlife. They have a bar back here. There's people in the pool having a good time playing basketball. And the sushi bar has some live entertainment. Cornhole to play underneath the lights.
Okay, I think this is where we're gonna leave you. We had a great stay here at the Marriott on Sand Key. It was really comfortable.
Yes, so comfortable. It's 11 o'clock and we don't want to leave. So the back area is really fun. Like the pool, we had a great time sitting out there by the pool. You can sit by the bay and have a drink. And you're gonna save money staying here because, okay, they don't have a beach behind them, but they do have a bay. But here's the thing, they have a golf cart service that will take you anywhere on the island to the beach. And also you have the Jolly Trolley right out front that takes you anywhere. Save the money, stay here.
Yes. If you enjoyed this video, please take the time to subscribe and like it.
Yep.
As always, thank you for coming along with us. Keep exploring.
We'll see you on the next one.
Janet!
That food was delicious as always.
Before we got in the water, we decided we were going to get in it.
Before we get in the water. So this hotel has a little bit of a nightlife. They do have the bar by the pool. There's people already in the pool, hanging out, chilling. I like that. All right, so we came downstairs and we wanted to look around, see what it looks like downstairs. All right, so we came down. I see you smiling.